this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Masturbator Sleeve Attachment. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Masturbator Sleeve Attachment itself. A really impressive size and an attachment that provides wonderful stimulation. You can use it and enjoy intense vibrations alone or with your partner. The attachment is designed specifically for the DOCSI number 31 vibrator. The attachment is made of a body-safe silicone for a comfortable feeling, and the sleeve itself is also stretchy to ensure the perfect fit. To use the attachment, simply screw onto the DOCSI number 31 vibrator and enjoy the wonderful sensations. Inside the sleeve, it is nubbed for wonderful stimulation during use. Now, when using this wand attachment, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the attachment after every use, and we recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Nexus Masturbator Sleeve Attachment. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.